Good morning. It is Sunday morning, which means it's a long run Sunday. It is cold today, like 40 degrees, which in Florida is basically -20. It's gonna be a rough one. I'm scheduled to run 16 miles today because I'm 3 weeks out from my marathon, but I might just get 10 because I have something to do at 11:30 today, and it's already 9:30. And I run pretty slow. Like, I usually run like a 9-minute mile, so we'll get whatever we can today, maybe 10, which I'd be okay with. I took like a really big break this week. I toned it down a lot. I only ran 8 miles in total over the entire week because I just could not run anymore because I ran 20 miles last weekend, which, you know, my knees were really in pain. Well, not in pain. They were just like so much lactic acid in there. Like, excuse me. Yeah, I just had to take down the mileage a lot, so we'll see how far I go today. I'm actually feeling really good. I had a banana as a snack, and then I have my water bottle carrier on me, and I have a snack in there, so feeling good. See how far I go, assess this straggler. Oh man. All right, let me sit y'all down. Whoo, I did 10 miles, and I'm okay with that. I am 6 miles short of what I was supposed to run, but this week I didn't really pay attention to any of what I was supposed to do on my running schedule, and the reason being is because when I ran 20 miles last week, it was a lot on my little body, my wee body. I can't believe I even ran 20. I've even debated if I want to even do the full marathon because the 20 was so challenging for me. Like, I felt really good. It's just like my knees and my hips were just like seizing up, like they were so tight, and so I was just like, we'll see when it comes to race day. I'm not putting any pressure on myself whatsoever. I'd be happy if I did another 20 miles. Yeah, so today was just 10, and when I was running, I didn't actually put water in here because I couldn't find a little mini water bottle. So maybe that was part of my problem. But the 10 felt good. I ran it in like an hour and 30 minutes, which for me is good. But I had some of this Scout bar. Is that how you say it? Yeah, Scout peanut butter bar. And before I left the house, I had a banana. But this was just so hard to eat because it's so chewy, because it's just some dates, peanut butter, salt. Yeah, that was it. So it was just like so hard to chew. And last weekend I used the little gels, the goo gels, which I think is really helpful, and I definitely need to buy more of those. I need to find a better snack than this because this was just too chewy. But fun, exciting thing today, Jacob and I are gonna go look at a house for fun, but we also really just like love this house. It looks like an Australian house, like there's like cathedral ceilings. It's just really cool, and then if I could film, I'll show you, because I just want to keep it in my memory bank in case we don't get it, which it's more likely we will not get it than we will get it. But our house that we bought last year and fixed up, we love the design. The design is perfect. It's what I like envisioned. It is so small because it's a 100-year-old house, so there's no closets. The bedrooms, like a queen bed can like barely squeeze in there, and like both of them, and it's just really tiny for what we need because we both work from home. Yeah, it's just quite small. It's really cute though. Like, I'm not complaining at all. Like, it's a really cute house, but it is very teeny. And this house is like further away from like the downtown area, which is why it's like a more comparable price to our house, even though it's much larger. Anyway, I'll show you my smoothie, and then we're gonna go to this open house. All right, there is my protein smoothie. It's not the most beautiful color because I put a bunch of kale in there and it was just strawberries. But this is the protein that I've been using. Also, I put PB Fit in there. The Plant Fusion Complete Protein, and at 21 grams of protein per scoop. It's pretty good. I like it. I wanted to try it out. It was at Whole Foods on sale. And then I just topped it with some flax seeds, around 2 tablespoons of PB Fit. And yeah, so I'm gonna eat this, and that's gonna be my breakfast. Okay, we're at the house that we're viewing, and I am literally obsessed with it. Look at those windows, and then you can see outside. So it needs some work, but you can see the ocean out there, like the water. Excuse me, but like, oh my goodness. I am just, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed. And like, look at these spiral staircase coming upstairs. So you enter from down there, and then you come up these little stairs into this. Oh my God, and there's 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. No, there's 3 bedrooms. So this is 1, and then the bathroom is like huge compared to what we have. Oh my God, and there's another bathroom. Some loving for sure. Like this piece de resistance right here is this. Oh my God. Can I say that I'm obsessed? Because I am. Like what the heck? I need it. I need it. And there's like an avocado tree, I'm pretty sure. I fully came in here expecting to just like it. I get attached too quickly, I think, to things because I love this house. But we gotta go outside and look in the backyard. But to me, it's a win. It's a win. Just a plain kale salad, and then I put some seitan on top, and I added this queso as my dressing. So I'm gonna eat that up. Oh, you ready to go for a walk? But womas, but womas. Park. Currently, we are, if you're familiar with the Tampa area in Safety Harbor, Florida, which is where I grew up, there's a rocket launch in like when?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. So we're trying to see if we can get a good look at it.
He's on his boat watching the game.
This guy's watching foosball. It is really nice out, but also very chilly. So cold, it's freezing. Jacob's getting doggy poop bags. But update on the house. We loved the house. Nothing wrong with the house. I mean, it needed some work, but it was so cute. I'm a little bit attached to it. I don't think we're gonna get it because, yeah, because we still have like our Sweden idea in mind, and we still have our other house, so it would be like a lot of work to try to sell that house to get this house. I don't know, we're sleeping on it for 24 hours to see what we feel, but I really did get attached to that house. But it's okay. We're gonna let the universe speak to me, give it 24 hours, but we're probably not gonna get it over getting it, and that's okay. It was a beautiful house, and happy for whoever gets it. T-minus 10 minutes for the Falcon Heavy to launch. No clouds at all. It's gonna be like perfect straight shot of seeing the rocket go off. Oh yeah, you see it over there? That is so cool. The sky's like super pink. So it's like blue on the horizon, and then it's like a rainbow. That was definitely the best rocket launch I've seen, like the clearest day. Now we gonna go home, need some dinner, cause it's freaking cold. Okay, totally forgot to film my dinner, but I have some tempeh in there with tofu, some broccoli and mushrooms cooked with a shallot, and then some potatoes. And then I also made some homemade granola, and I've been snacking on that while I've been cooking. And I might go back for more potatoes or maybe some rice. I don't know. But I did have quite a lot of broccoli and mushrooms before filming this. Oh man, it is late. It is 12 at night or 12 in the morning, whichever way you want to look at it. And I started eating more granola. So I've eaten a ton of granola today. I haven't actually showed you that much of what I had today. Like I showed you my meals, but I didn't show you like how much. Because I had pineapple, a lot of granola as snacking, and just like a lot of snacking today. I'm in a good place now with what I'm eating and just kind of feeling like very flowy with all my meals. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like it's definitely reflecting in my hair and just feeling good about that. But anyway, that was my day today. It was pretty eventful for fun Sunday. Did a random open house and played mini golf. Very random, and I went for a long run. And I saw a rocket go off. Yeah, today was a very random day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give it a like, subscribe if you're new here. Sorry, like I look like a child right now. I'm wearing like this weird old t-shirt and like my old Quasimodo pillowcase. I'm just realizing that now. I feel like I'm in high school again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very random, and I do apologize for that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys had a wonderful day, a wonderful couple of minutes, however long this video may be. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!